In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect API Aircall to Zapier in no time. This process is fairly straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through each step to ensure a smooth integration. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and type Zapier into the search bar. Once you've located the official Zapier website, head over there and log in to your existing account. If you haven't created a Zapier account yet, you'll need to sign up to proceed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create what's known in Zapier as a Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps to automate tasks for you. At this point, we move on to configuring the trigger step of your Zap. In the Zap Builder, you will search for and select Webhooks by Zapier. Now, webhooks are incredibly useful for enabling apps to communicate with each other in real time, and they will play a central role in this integration. Within the options for this trigger app, you'll want to choose Catch Hook as the trigger event, meaning Zapier will capture data every time your specified Aircall events occur. After setting up the trigger event, Zapier provides you with a custom webhook URL. Now, this URL is crucial as it serves as the destination where Aircall will send data whenever the events you care about occur. Make sure to copy this URL, as you will need it shortly. Next, you'll need to access your Aircall account. So, once again, return to your web browser and search for Aircall. Click on the first link that appears, preferably the official one, with the URL aircall.io. Inside your Aircall account, navigate to the Integrations and API section. Here, look for the webhook option among the integrations available and select it. Want to start the integration? Click Install Integration. You'll then be prompted to name your webhook. Choose a name that is descriptive enough so that you or others will find it intuitive later on. Once you've named it, you will need to paste the custom webhook URL you obtained from Zapier into the designated field on Aircall. Lastly, it's time to configure which Aircall events should actually trigger this webhook. Common examples include call ended or missed call, but you can select any relevant to your needs and turn off any extraneous events that don't serve your purpose. To make sure everything is set up correctly, perform an action in Aircall that should trigger your webhook. Then check your Zap in Zapier to see if the data is being received. Once verified, your integration is successfully complete, automating and optimizing how Aircall communicates valuable data to Zapier. Enjoy the efficiency that this integration brings to your workflow.